Have you ever heard trees talk? Sounds impossible, right? But deep in the forest, something incredible is happening. Trees are secretly communicating. They don't have a language like we do, but they send messages to each other through chemical signals, special scents, and underground networks. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web. It's a hidden internet made of fungi and roots that connects the entire forest. Think of it like this. All the trees in the forest are like neighbors. They're close enough to each other that they can send notes through the air, but they need something a little stronger to share information about danger, pests, and drought. That's where the Wood Wide Web comes in. Through their roots, trees can send warnings to their friends and neighbors, letting them know that there's a problem and how to deal with it. It's like a game of telephone, but with trees. One tree might start out healthy, but as it gets older, it can start to feel the effects of stress, things like not enough water or too much heat. As it struggles, the tree releases chemicals into the ground through its roots. These chemicals carry messages to nearby trees, kind of like a distress signal. Younger trees can sense these chemicals and they perk up their roots to listen for advice. Older trees have been around longer, so they've had more time to gather wisdom and experience. They send back helpful signals to the younger trees, telling them how to be strong and survive. The Wood Wide Web isn't just about warnings. It's also about sharing food. When a mother tree has extra food, she can send some her way. Young saplings that can't make their own food yet, like babies, they rely on the mother tree and the Wood Wide Web to feed them. And when a tree is getting ready to die, it can share its final nutrients with the forest, kind of like a really big compost pile. This way, the forest is always growing and changing, and the trees work together to make sure that it stays healthy. Next time you walk through a forest, remember this. You're not alone. You're walking through an ancient, intelligent network of life. Trees are whispering secrets to each other through the Wood Wide Web, sharing information that helps them survive. They're passing on knowledge that helps the whole forest thrive. So keep listening. The forest has a lot to say if we just take the time to listen. That's all for now. See you next time.